How to activate two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a secondary security measure to verify your identity before logging in. Tokenize Xchange encourages users to enable the 2FA to ensure that your accounts stay protected. Okay, let's start. Start by going to Tokenize.Xchange, log in as usual. Hover over the account icon, click on Security. From here, go to Two-Factor Authentication. You can search on the App Store or scan these QR code to install Google Authenticator. Once you have it installed, in the app go to Add a Code. Click on Scan a QR code. Now with the app camera, scan the small QR code below. When complete, you should get a 6-digit code, which you can use to fill in the Google Authentication code box below. Now click Get Code in the email verification field. Check your email and fill the code in the appropriate field. When both fields are filled, you can scroll down and click Confirm. And that's it. Now that your two-factor authentication is set up, your account is fully protected. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading!